Hi guys, welcome to the short video about minute-cast weather forecast or minute-by-minute weather forecast. It has been, like, I would say, almost invented by the AccuWeather can't remember exactly anymore, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, something like that. And it has been developed or improved to almost perfection by the Dark Sky weather app in the last couple of years. But after that, we all know the Dark Sky moved to the dark side, like to Apple only, and left us alone, almost with no minutecast apart from the AccuWeather. And we all thought, yeah, that's a huge loss, and it's almost impossible to replace. And we were also wrong, and I think it was the best thing that happened to the Android app Weather Space, that the Dark Sky moved away, because I've never seen so much development in just 1 month in the Android apps weather space in the last 10 years or so. It's insane. Usually there are very few development, and in the last months almost all the apps came out with a lot of minutecast, and I'm going to show you that there's even one available with minutecast widget, which is insane. I mean, I think the Dark Sky was really the only one now, after so short time, not even a month after Dark Sky has left, we have already a minutecast widget back. So these are my favorites here. Maybe there are even more. We start with the shadow weather. It's also a rather new one. We can click on the next hour, and here we see that in a similar way as the Dark Sky. I mean, of course, some of these apps are still using Dark Sky as a weather source. Some have different sources. I mean, you can see the difference what they are showing. So obviously it's not all related to Dark Sky API. It's a really nice one. It has some premium effects. I mean, premium which you can just get like 24-hour premium with watching an ad. I really like that. That's a good possibility. Now let's go to the next one, Climate Cell. Yeah, that's almost my favorite at the moment, because it has a little bit a longer minutecast. Yeah, here we are. You can see that. Goes up to, I don't know, 2 hours or so, 2 or 3 hours, something like that. Really cool one. I really like this one. You really have to try that out. And the original, the AccuWeather, still a really good one. And they are always a little bit improving. Some they have brought some bad things, especially when it comes to day-by-day forecast, but the minutecast has improved. You can see that. Really nice overview. I don't know if this is accurate. Yeah, there should be a little bit more rain. I think it's pretty dark outside, started to rain, but I still love the thing. Next 2 hours, nice one here. Then the next one is the hyperlocal weather. Yeah, I hope you can still hear me. There's a lot of rain outside. Now here you can see that the hyperlocal weather, really nice rain for the hour, 60 minutes. Nice prediction here. Then we have, there's obviously there's an option to buy premium and contribute, so I'm not doing that now. There's the VWOW. There's the VWOW. I've been installing a lot of weather apps to try and see how they work. This is also an interesting one. I mean, it's not like minute by minute, but it's like maybe half hour by half hour around that. Really cool thing. And it has given me a lot of indication about rain possibility in the past. It's also good to have something which lasts a little bit longer than just a couple of minutes or 1 hour. And then the Storm Radar. It also has it. You just have to look for it a little bit. Here we have it. Click on that and you will get to the minute cast. Yeah, it doesn't really convince me. I mean, it's super dark. It has started to rain intense. I mean, yeah, intense rain now, and it almost shows nothing. Yeah, that's a little bit weird. Doesn't really convince me at the moment. It has always had a really interesting prediction, but at the moment I think it's a little bit off. Then the last thing I wanted to show you, the weather home. Weather home, I mean, it's definitely not a minute cast, but they have this 24-hour forecast with this precipitation graph here, and also they have similar thing for the whole week, which is definitely a nice thing, and I am not going to uninstall it now. I'm just leaving it and check how reliable this is. So these are my recommendations. Again, shadow weather, climate cell, echo weather, hyperlocal weather, the VWOW, and the storm radar. Yeah, and of course also the weather home. And the thing which I was promising you at the beginning, the widget, the minute cast widget, which we have back, and you can see that here. Yeah, here it is. Really nice, also nice refreshing rate, everything. But I think to use that you have to buy premium, but it's not even expensive. It's only, I think, $5 per year. Definitely worth it to have a nice replacement for the dark sky. And this is coming from, the winner is Shadow Weather, and it's a nice one and I highly recommend. I mean, I'm not affiliated with them, but they have so many nice things for only $5 per year, and I think it's definitely worth to spend it and support this guy. He's doing a really great job. We have this lightning strike thing here, even with intense. They're showing how strong these things were, which is really a rare thing. Then we have the upcoming condition, then we have the next hour from the dark sky, but they are ready to move to another source, absolutely no problem. Really nice overview, and we have also the nice app with the radar and even with moving lightning indication. That's also a rare thing, which we yeah, usually we haven't seen that in the past. It's a little bit coming up with moving lightning strikes. I mean, it's definitely not perfect, but it's doing a pretty good job on that. This is my recommendation, my preferred weather app at the moment, especially with this nice widget here. So that's it for now. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video and give you a little bit of an overview. And if you have any questions or comments or better solutions, yeah, if you have found something better, just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.